So there is one question that is getting asked in these groups again and again and again, almost on every single post. Why is my narcissist doing this? And I want to let you know that there is only one answer to all of these questions. The answer is, whatever your narc is doing, whether they're being nice or nasty or anything in between, the answer is because they need fuel. So if you let this sink in, that everything and anything your narcissist has ever done and will ever do is because they need fuel, it kind of explains a lot of things. Because a lot of their behavior doesn't make any sense to us normal human beings. Now, what is fuel? Fuel is any emotional reaction that you are giving the narcissist. Whether that is love, admiration, empathy, pity, anger, sadness, confusion, jealousy, it doesn't matter. Your narc cannot function without fuel. And so, in order to function, he or she needs to provoke you into giving them emotional responses. That is the only answer, the only truth to the question, why is my narcissist doing this? Why are they taking a photo with another person? Why are they flirting with someone? Why are they ignoring me? Why are they being nice now? Why are they apologizing? Why are they not apologizing? Anything they have ever done or not done, anything they will ever do or not do or say, is for this one simple little reason. They need fuel. They need an emotional reaction from you. And if being nice won't give it to them to the extent that they need, then they will be nasty. I hope that this will give you some kind of peace, that you don't have to ask that question anymore. And next time you ask this question, I want you to say to yourself, it's because he needs fuel. And if you really think about it, then that answer does make a lot of sense, and it will explain everything and anything your narc has ever done or said.